Hey, what's up, students? Let's do the Jolly Rancher dressing. You are planning to solve the following system by elimination to make opposite x values. Now, some of these had typos. I did fix them, but if they're ever wrong, let me know. And how can you spot them if they're wrong? They're not lined up nice. So, like, what number would you multiply the top equation by? Look at another typo right there, so I got to fix that one. So, what number would you multiply the bottom equation? So, make sure, again, I made these all in bulk and then I must have switched the problems without switching the directions, silly goose. So if you ever spot anything, just let me know and I'll try to fix them. Hopefully by the time you're taking this, they are fixed, but if not, just let me know. Okay, so what you actually are trying to do here is if you're gonna make opposite x values, what would you multiply the bottom equation by? So if you wanna make opposite x values, what would you do? Well, we have a 10x and a -5. So I think a regular 2 would do that. So this is the very, very first step in making opposites, is multiplying one of the equations, one of the conditions of the system, by a multiplier or a scalar. I think some people call it that too. So what would happen if you did that? You took everything times 2, what would you have? You would now have a negative 10x. You would have a 6, well, come on, brain, wake up here. Okay, 4y. And then we'd have a negative 18. Sorry, coffee hasn't kicked in yet. There we go. All right, so then, once we've upgraded this one, it's kind of irrelevant. All right, so now, oh look, we have opposite x values, so now we could add straight down. We can add, and then things would cancel, and then we could solve for y, blah, blah, blah. But you're not doing that yet. You're just doing the very first part. Now, how can you spot it if it's wrong? Well, that's obviously wrong because the blank's on the bottom. But there is no single number, at least not any nice ones, that can make opposite y values nicely and neatly, okay? So make sure you pick the one where it's very obviously trying to set you up, but if it's not, then make sure you read the directions carefully and let me know if there's a mistake. All right, so good luck with that one. Hopefully they're all fixed by the time you take it. That's the Jolly Rancher dressing.